My name is Nemeth. Here at Thompson Detail Center, I apply XPEL Window Tint to our cars. Today we worked on a 2017 Porsche Panamera. We applied 20% XR Plus XPEL Window Tint. Ultimately, our tint will help keep the car cooler during the summer. It protects you from heat and UV rays. It's been certified through the National Cancer Society, and overall the ride looks a lot sleeker. We have different levels of tint. We have all types of percentages, down from 5%, which is a dark as night tint, up to 70%, which is very clear if you want it just for heat protection. When it comes to installing window tint, it does require a decent amount of knowledge. We have to cut it on our machine that has everything pre-plotted out for us. The most important step to tinting a vehicle is the shrinking of the product. If you don't shrink the product correctly, it's not going to come out correctly. You also need to make sure that you have a cool, dry, clean place to work, because once you install the tint, you can also get dirt in there, and that's what every one of us tries to avoid. All in all, our tint is the top of the line tint. It comes from a very prestigious company, and here at Thompson Detail Center, we focus on all makes and models of cars. We have all the certifications, and we can do any percentage and any type of tint that you would like.